My name is Glenn Ligon, and I'm an artist living and working in New York City, and I have an exhibition here at the Fitzwilliam Museum in Cambridge called All Over the Place. Often my work is focused on themes around identity, race, history. I often quote African American authors in my work, and so I'm bringing the content from the things that I read into the space of art. So often my work has text in it, quotations from these authors, but I work in painting, neon, prints, video, so I work with text over a range of ways. The exhibition has several parts. One is a display of artwork I've done from over the last 30 years. One part is juxtaposition of artworks I've done with artworks from the Fitzwilliam's permanent collection. And then there are galleries where my intervention is a rehang of the existing gallery. So, for example, in the Flowers Gallery, which we're in, it is a display of paintings from the 17th and 18th century, Dutch still life paintings. I think exhibiting and curating in the Fitzwilliam is a unique opportunity because the Fitzwilliam has a comprehensive collection, and because I was given free rein. I was basically allowed to walk around the museum, talk to all the curators, go into the storerooms and poke about, and develop from that a series of topics that I was interested in. Maybe what I hope that they will think about is that how things are organized in museums is one way of many. And so I want viewers to think about, display and think about how we kind of walk into museums and think that this is the way they've always been. But that's not true. The display of the museum reflects different tastes, passions, collecting practices, museum practices. So I want the viewer to sort of think about that, but I also want to think about how an artist looks at a collection, which might be different than how the general visitor to a museum looks at the collection. And so my juxtaposition of my work with other objects in the museum's collection is a way to kind of let the visitor into my thinking process. So that's kind of what All Over the Place, my exhibition, is about, is to present some new meanings and new possibilities and new trajectories to think about the work in the museum. You can see Glenn Ligon all over the place through the 2nd of March at the Fitzwilliam Museum in Cambridge.